Let us pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Good afternoon, everybody. Faithful devotees. Today I am going to explain combination of Chitta and Chetasika. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Association of mental factors. Chetasika Sampayoga Naya. There are 16 ways. How many ways? There are 16 ways. But you have to practice the very patient because this is quite difficult moment, like counting method. Okay, if someone know the mathematics very well, then they can easily understand. But another way, we have to know the meaning of Chetasika. It is very important. Now we already explained before. Anyway, before I go into this lesson, I want to remind again how many consciousness and how many mental factors. Okay, do you have the chart? There are 89 type of consciousness. Do you have this chart? But I have the bigger one, but I have they're even colorful, very easy to understand. Okay, now you can see the PowerPoint also. Anyway, there are all our consciousness. We can make two group. Remember, mundane and super mundane. You can see the mundane, there are 81. The super mundane, there are 8. Total, how many consciousness? 89. Okay, now the 81 type of mundane consciousness, we can make the group according to the nature of the mind or plane of the consciousness. So the first one, there are 12 type of unwholesome consciousness. Unwholesome means akusala. How many unwholesome consciousness? There are 12. Do you remember? 8 type of greed-rooted consciousness, 2 type of hatred-rooted consciousness, 2 type of delusion-rooted consciousness. Okay. Anyway, those are 12 type of consciousness. We can make the summary. Sorry, no, later. But anyway, you get okay. So, okay, no problem. Okay, you can see there are 12 type of consciousness. We can make the group according to feeling. Remember about the some consciousness arising with pleasure, some consciousness arising with equanimity, some consciousness arising with displeasure. Okay, now you should remember. Don't give up. Those are things. Very important for us when we are going to the check with the mental factors. Then unrooted consciousness, how many? How many unrooted consciousness? 18. Those are 18 unrooted consciousness. We can make the group. 7 type of unwholesome resultant consciousness, akusala vipaka. The same way, 8 type of wholesome resultant, kusala vipaka. There are 3 type of functional kiriya. Okay? You understand, no? Okay, good. but there's the among the sorry inside in the 10 type of consciousness of rootless rootless consciousness. What are the 10 type of consciousness? 10 type, the 2 eye consciousness, 2 ear, 2 nose, 2 tongue, 2 body. Those are group you should keep your mind. This it is also very important. Okay. Some are consciousness, receiving consciousness, someone investigating consciousness. Okay. The same with the functional also, they are one of the conscious smile products in, another one the Fido adverting, another one Mindo adverting. Okay, the sense sphere, beautiful consciousness, there are 24. Those are 24 consciousness, we can make the group, the wholesome, resultant and functional. There are 8 types of wholesome. There are 8 types of resultant, there are 8 types of functional. Those are sensual sphere, beautiful consciousness also we can make the group according to feeling. Some consciousness arises with happy feeling, pleasure. Some consciousness arises with equanimity. Some consciousness wisdomful. Some consciousness unwisdom. Some consciousness prompted. Some consciousness unprompted. It is also important. Same way, there are 15 type of fine material consciousness, Rupavachara mind. Okay? There are also first jhana, second, third, fourth, fifth. There are 5 jhana for the kusala. Same way, 5 jhana for the vipaka, 5 jhana for the kiriya. Immaterial consciousness, there are 12. Boundless space base, boundless consciousness base, nothingness base, and neither perception, no, none perception base. Pali, Akasa Nanchayatana, Vinyananchayatana, Akin Chanyayatana, Nevasanya, Nasanyayatana. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is the 4 types of wholesome, 4 types of resultant, and 4 types of functional. Okay, then another one, this is a super mundane, Lokuttara. How many Lokuttara mind? There are 8. Those are 8 consciousness. We can make the 2 group, Magga and Phala. Path consciousness and fruition consciousness. Path consciousness, it's called kusala, wholesome. Path are wholesome. Resultant is phala, fruition knowledge. Okay. Okay. The 4th, the stream enter again Sotapatti Magga, Sakadagami Magga, Anagami Magga, Arahata Magga. There are 4 types of wholesome. The same way, 4 types of the fruition. Okay, understand? But now we know you should keep your mind the 89 type of consciousness. It is also important. Okay? Okay, please take the next one. Next page, the combination of chittas and chetasikas. You know how to read this page, this paper? So many errors, so many marks. Huh? Anything? Huh? You understand? You can read? Yeah, okay. Huh? Difficult. Maybe some mistake also here? We don't know. Okay. Anyway, you see here, Sangaha method of combination. Okay? Method of combination. Brother, better we go this side first. Go up. Okay, please look at this side. That side, all are Sampayoga method, method of association, means all are consciousness including here. Okay, all are consciousness including here. Go up. This is all are mental factors here. But the summary of the mental factors are mental factors here. Now the example, according to mathematics, no? I not remember clearly. Okay, someone want to make the table according to the how far one place to another place. Example, Junon to the Juron, how far? The same way they make the method, no? The same way we have to practice. The example, this consciousness associate how many mental factors. This is the marking plate. The all are color. They make the color. This is the association. The not color means not associate. This association. Okay. Now you have to read this one. What is this? Vitakka. Okay, first one. Sabba Chitta Sadharana. 7 types of universal mental factors. Remember? What are the 7? No. Passa, Vedana, Sanya, Chetana, Ekagata, Jivitindriya, Manasikara. Right? Very good, no? Okay, very good. Someone already by heart. Okay, means there are 7 types of universal mental factors all the time arising with every consciousness. Any of consciousness cannot arise except those are 7. All the time associate, all the time arising. That's why they make them together. That's why they not put one by one. Passa, Vedana, Sanya, Chetana, not mentioned. But they together put. It's one group. Sabbachita Sadhana, 7 types of universal mental factors. Okay, what are the 7? Passa, Vedana, Sanya, Chetana, Ekagata, Jivitindriya, Manasikara. Okay, good. Next one, Vitakka. Why they keep the Vitakka, Vichara, Adhimokha, Viryapiti, Chanda? Those are 6 conscious mental factors are, we call Pakinnaka, means occasionally. That's why they keep the one by one. They make the one by one. Because some consciousness arises with Vitakka. Some consciousness never associate with Vitakka. This is the reason. They were one by one they put. Vitakka, Vichara, Adhimokha, Viryapiti, Chanda. There are 6. Now you remember the meaning, no? I no need to explain meaning. I spent 3 lessons to explain the meaning of the Chitta Chetasika, no? Chitta Chetasika. Okay. Next group, you see, Moha, Ahirika, Anottappa, Uddhacha. What is the meaning? 4 types of unwholesome universal. Because those are 4 consciousness all the time arising with every akusala. Those are arising every akusala. Then Lobha, Ditti, Mana. There are 3 types of Lobha group. They divide 3 ways. Lobha, 1 line. Ditti, another line. Moha, 1 line. Sorry, Mana, 1 line. Same way, Dosa, Issa, Machari, Kukkucha, there are 4 types of hatred group. Actually, especially, but according to this chart, they put together. But when you are going to meditate, when you are practicing meditation, at that time we should divide. Because the Issa, Machari, Kukkuchi, the three mental factors never ever arising together. Never arising together. Never ever arising together. Okay? If Issa arise, meaning never arise other two. Okay? Envy, jealous, so the two same. You know? The jealous and the stinginess, they are together, cannot arise. They always separate. But anyway, we have, according to this table, we have to follow. Tina Midda also, they are grouping, they are together rising. Vichikitta, okay. Next one, Sobana Sadha, 19 type of universal beautiful mental factors. Do you remember? Okay, this is one group. And Virati, they are one group. Apamanya, one group. Panjindriya, one group. Actually, Apamanya also we have to make two groups. But anyway, they're together put. You got this chart. Okay. You want to start this chart first, or maybe I follow this according to my lesson? You can listen, no? Okay. Okay, go listen. Take to your lesson. Lesson number 4. Whiteboard have, no? Whiteboard. Okay. Ethically means pakinnaka. Variable factors. Anya samana chetasika. There are 13 anya samana chetasika. Do you remember 13? What are 13? Asa, Vedana, Sanya, Chetana, Ekagata, Jivitindriya, Manasikara, Vitaka, Vichara, Adimokha, Viriya, Piti, Chanda. Good. Okay. Those are 13 mental factors. We can make the group. There are 7 ways. We can make the group 7 ways according to the association of mental factors. Number 1. The 7 universal mental factors arise in all the 89 type of consciousness. Now remember? Okay. Now, you know, that, okay. Now you know one of the method our Lord given by the Lord Buddha to practice meditation, the 5 aggregate method. Okay. What are the 5 aggregates? Okay, anyway, first of all, the 5 aggregates, we can make the 2 group, mentality and materiality. Okay? Materiality is the form aggregates. It's 1. Mentalities, there are 4 aggregates. Actually, the Chitta Chetasika, now the Chitta and Chetasikas including 4 aggregates. Now, every conscious, every mind moment, every meditator should check how many aggregates arising together. Okay, how many aggregates arising together every mind moment. We should check by ourselves. Otherwise, we cannot practice the aggregate method. Okay, that's now you know what are the 4 mentality aggregates. What are the 4? Feeling, perception, mental volition, mental, yeah, okay. What a mental formation? Both can, no? Yeah, two way. According to the Abhidhamma. Because the Chetana separate, we can get the Sankhara. Chetana together rising with others. Also one Sankhara. Mental volition also can. Mental formation also can. Okay, anyway. Number 4, consciousness. Now, example. What are the 7 universal mental factors? Pasa, Vedana, Sanya, Chetana, Ekagrata, Jivitindriya, Manasika. Okay. I want to know how many aggregates there are. Sure? 3 sure? Okay, please. I want to know what are the 3. Vedana is Vedana, okay. Sanya is Sanya is okay. Rest all are 5, including the Chetana. All I call Sankhara. Sankhara. Now, but those are 7 universal mental factors all the time arising with the consciousness, no? Consciousness is number 4. That's why every mind moment 4 aggregate arising. That's the 7 type of mental factors all the time arising with every consciousness. Every consciousness. This is the meaning. You understand, no? Okay. Number 2. Initial application arises in 55 type of consciousness. Oh. What is the mean? Initial application is? Vitakka. Vitakka. How now I can say our own language, the normal language, how many vitakka consciousness? How many vitakka consciousness? Initial application arising together with how many consciousness? Yeah. Yes. How many? Okay, I want to know what are the 55. Okay, now take the table. Take your table and check by yourself the vitakka line. You see, vitakka line. How many? All the mark here. No, you have to count. How many? Okay. Every akusala, all are akusala consciousness all the time arising with vitakka. Okay? But there are how many rootless consciousness? Ahetuka. Huh? Yeah, rootless 18. They are rootless. How many consciousness? There are 18. 1-8. Except 10 type of vijnana. 10 type of vijnana. 2 eye, 2 ear, 2 nose, 2 tongue, 2 body. The 2-fold of the consciousness. When you are going to study, when you are going to practice meditators, the name vitakka never arises with 10 type of consciousness. Vitakka never arises. That's why except vitakka. Vitakka disassociate with 10 type of consciousness. That's why now you see they have the mark, no? You see here. Dipancha vijnana. Sense consciousness, another name. Means there are 10 type of vijnana except vitakka. Because vitakka never arises. Not only vitakka. Vitakka, vichara, or rest, all are mental factors never arise. Now according to the plane, how many kamavachara chitta total? How many kamavachara sense sphere consciousness? How many sense sphere consciousness? 54. Yes. Minus 10. How many? 44. You see on the table. They have in all type of sense sphere consciousness there are 54, except the 2 sets of 5-fold sense consciousness. There are how many? 44. Another one, in the 11 type of first jhana consciousness. Oh, what's the meaning? First jhana consciousness. How many first jhana? Hmm? How many first jhana consciousness? How many first jhana consciousness? Okay, what is the meaning first jhana? Vitakka, vichara, piti, sukha, ekagata. What's the meaning first jhana? How many first jhana? Yeah. One of the wholesome, one of the resultant, one of the functional. There are three. Okay. This is a mundane. How many mundane first jhana? There are three. How many super mundane first jhana? Yes, there are 8. Now, do you remember? Remember? How many mundane first jhana? There are 3. So it is very clear, no? Here. Yeah. Yeah. Here. You see? First jhana 3. How many super mundane first jhana? First jhana, there are 4. First jhana, there are 4. There are 8. Total 11. Okay, I want to know what are the 8 types of super mundane first jhana. Yes, Sotapatti Magga first jhana, Sakadagami Magga first jhana, Anagami Magga first jhana, Arhata Magga first jhana. Same way, Sotapatti Pala first jhana, Sakadagami Pala first jhana, Anagami Pala first jhana, Arhata Pala first jhana. Without any of super mundane jhana, without any jhana factor jhana, we cannot reach the Nibbana. All the time when we are going to reach the Nibbana, all the time we are taking the Nibbana object. Because of that arising super mundane jhana consciousness with the path and fruition knowledge. You understand? Okay, please write down. Better way. Please write down 11 type. What are the 11 types first jhana? 11 type first jhana. Because someone I can see the pace, not familiar. They are thinking. Okay. Please write down the one of. Okay, there are 3 types of mundane first jhana. 3 types of mundane first jhana. Yeah, what are the 3? First jhana is fine material first jhana, one of the wholesome, same way, one of the resultant, one of the functional. There are 3. What are the 8 types of super mundane first jhana? Sotapatti Magga first jhana. Same way, Sakadagami Magga, Anagami Magga, Arhata Magga. Stream entry, one returner, non-returner, and Arahatship. Yeah, path and fruition. Fruition there are 4. Sotapatti Pala, first jhana. Same way, Sakadagami Pala, Anagami Pala, Arhata Pala. Okay, brother, very good. I no need to write down. they can copy. Enter. Enter, enter. Okay. Easy way. Okay. Now you can understand number 2. Initial application arises in 55 type of consciousness. What are the 55? In all type of sense sphere consciousness there are 54 minus means except two sets of fivefold sense consciousness, and in the 11th type of first dhyana consciousness. Total how many? 55. We can say 55 initial application consciousness also can. Vitakka chitta. How many vitakka chitta? 55. But now remember, maybe if I ask tomorrow, maybe I don't know your answer. Now okay, now it's still okay. How many vitakka consciousness? 55. Huh? I don't know Chinese. How to say Chinese? Swing. Huh? Swing. 55 means? Uzu. Okay. Next time I have to study Chinese. Huh? Brother Gigi have to teach. Huh? Please teach me Chinese. This good enough. Good enough for me. Because I don't know even one word. I know only Sheshi. Okay. Okay, number 3. About the vichara, sustained application. Sustained application arises in 66 type of consciousness. Very easy. How many vichara consciousness? How many vichara mind? There are 66. The same way, except the two set of fivefold sense consciousness, there are 44. And first jhana consciousness 11, the same way second jhana consciousness. How many second jhana? 11. The same way follow. The same way. This is first jhana, same way second jhana. How many vichara mind? Okay. One more thing. Vitakka vichara, those are consciousness, they count according to the 121 type of consciousness. Huh? They not follow the 89. They follow the 181. 181. Yeah, 100, so the 1 to 1, 121, 21. Okay. Now I want to know, according to the 121 type of consciousness, this question, how many consciousness arising with vitakka and how many consciousness disassociate vitakka? Understand? How many consciousness arising with vitakka and how many consciousness disassociate with vitakka? Yeah, mine 1 to 1 minus 55. How many? 66. The first answer 55, second answer 66. How many mental factors arising with vitakka? So how many consciousness? How many consciousness arising with vitakka? There are 55. How many consciousness disassociate with vitakka? Yeah, 66. Okay, the two answers important. Please write down. Yeah, neat. Then I want to know, what are the 66 type of what are the 66 type of consciousness? What are the 66 types of consciousness? Okay, I see. Consciousness arising with vitakka, consciousness arising without vitakka. Okay, now what are the 66 type of consciousness? Yes. Yes. Twofold sense consciousness, there are 10. Second jhana, there are 11. Third jhana also 11. Fourth jhana also 11. How many fifth jhana? How many fifth jhana? 3 plus 8 plus 12. 12 is all are fine material. So the immaterial. Immaterial also fifth and under the fifth jhana. 3 plus 8 12, okay. And 8 supermundane. Now, how many total together? 66. Okay. Okay, another one. According to the system of 121 consciousness, my second meaning, consciousness arising with vichara? How many? 66. How many consciousness arising without vichara? They are 55. Okay, please, you have to mark. Please mark by yourself. What are the 66? What are the 55? You see? Okay. Okay. Number 4th. About adimokha. Adimokha. Adimokha means decision. Arises in 78 type of consciousness. This method under the 89 consciousness, this counting. Under the 89 type of consciousness. Now, you see, in all type of consciousness, how many? There are 89. Except 2 sets of fivefold sense consciousness and 1 doubt consciousness, one of the doubt consciousness. But yeah, example, in the Vichikicha moment. Vichikicha means doubt. When the doubt arising, at that time, the momently, in the momently, the Vichikicha not strong. Not strong. Yeah. But anyway, doubt, they can create the patisandhi. Yeah, can be the rebirth linking. We can doubtful mind can create the birth linking mind moment, patisandhi moment. Example, the uddacha, restlessness mind, momently very strong. That's why we cannot meditate properly. But when you are practicing meditation, at that time very easy to come in the wandering thoughts, different type of wandering thoughts. But we cannot concentrate. But after loss of the meditation, forget. Everything forget. Very easy to forget. You can remind after loss of the meditation what type of thought arose in your mind. You can remind. Cannot. That's why the restless of mind momently very strong. But after that, not strong. That's why they cannot create you the rebirth linking. Restless mind cannot give the patisandhi. Yeah. Understand? This is the two meaning, because one of the delusion mind is a doubt, another one is a restlessness, uddacha. Uddacha cannot give patisandhi, but vichikicha can give patisandhi. What's the reason? Vichikicha is a momently very strong. So, no. So the vichikicha moment not strong, uddacha moment is strong. Yeah, but the vichikicha after that become strong. Example now, the sometimes arising doubt about Buddha. But all the time, this mind can again and again can appear in our mind. Do you remember one history? One history. One of the bhikkhu during the Kassapa Buddha's time. Okay, he fulfilled his morality 20,000 years without any doubt. But anyway, last moment, when he crossed the river, then accidentally he touched one of the tree, one of the branch of the tree. They already damaged some leaf of the tree. He thought, oh, my seal already break. Now I want to clean up. Then, but anyway, some senior bhikkhu told, no, this you never do that intentionally. This accidentally happen. It happens accidentally. So no problem, not apathy. You not commit the offense. But anyway, the bhikkhu keep in doubt. Oh no, I already break my morality. My training already damaged. His very painful mind. But anyway, he do the apathy desana. He do the confession with the other bhikkhus. But anyway, after that, he keep in mind this problem. Nearly that moment arise. This happened. Then he became big, one of the big naga, snake. He got the snake life in our Buddha's time. Our Lord Buddha give this story, this happening. Why he became this naga? Because of the doubtful. This is one of the ghosts, not the normal naga. That's why the doubtful mind can create you the new birth link in mind moment. Be careful. Don't take any doubtful object regarding Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, your training, and about this life, about next life, about the past and future life, and about the depending origination. If who has like this doubtful, definitely go into the one of the woeful place. No other choice. Okay, that's why what is the difference between the doubtful and restlessness? Okay. Now, how many consciousness? How many decision consciousness? Adimokha mind. 78. Okay, good. Okay, number 5. Energy. Energy is virya. Okay. How many virya conscious? How many virya? Do you have virya? Energy? Yeah. You can do the one of Chitta process. It's a long one, 17 my moment. Okay. Now continue. Okay. This is one of the Chitta process. Bhavanga, the Bhavanga Chalana is a past Bhavanga. Yeah, yes, past Bhavanga and vibrating Bhavanga and resting Bhavanga, 5 to adverting consciousness, Chakku Vijnana, etc. Sota, Gahana, Juha, Kaya, 5 Fido consciousness, Sampaticchana receiving mind, Santirana is a investigating mind, Vattapana is a determining, and 7 type of Javana is impulsion, 2 type of Tadaram and registration. Okay, this is one of the Chitta process. According to Chitta process, we can understand about our energy. How how about our mental energy, not the physical energy? Which moment can appear mental energy? Actually, those are moments also still have the mental energy. Those are the first 3 moments, they have the mental energy. Okay? But Fido adverting consciousness, eye consciousness, ear, nose, tongue, body, and receiving consciousness and investigating consciousness. During this moment, no more mental energy. Mental energy never ever arising during this period. With 4 consciousness. Never arising mental energy. Okay? Now you see okay. Take your paper. Now see, you can read. All type of consciousness, there are 89, except Fido adverting consciousness, and same way, except the 2 set of 5-fold sense consciousness, and except the receiving consciousness, and except the investigating consciousness. Now, according here, Fido is here, only 1. 2-fold, 5-fold sense consciousness, there are 10. Receiving, there are 2. Investigating, there are 3. How many? 1, 10, 2, 3. 16, no? Yeah. Minus 16 consciousness, rest all are mental energy consciousness. Means after investigating, arising Vattapana moment until Tadaraman and rest all consciousness, they can produce a mental energy, virya. Now you have the physical energy, same as mental energy. Physical energy, mental energy. The mental energy arises with the consciousness, virya. With the mental energy arising with the consciousness. How many consciousness arise with mental energy, virya? There are how many? 73. You understand? You can get the meaning? Did you get? Okay? Okay? The corner, 12 boy, okay? 12 men. Yeah, everyone okay? It's okay, okay. Now, again, anything else? Okay? Number 6. Joy arises in 51 type of consciousness. Okay. This is a math system under the 121. Joy means piti. Piti. How many piti consciousness? How many piti? Yes, in the paper. But we have to check according to this paper. Okay, take this paper. Okay, piti, check. How many loba mind? How many loba mind? 4. What are the 4? For uh, for Somanasa mind. Okay, good. For Somanasa mind. After that, don't have any other akusala, no? But one of the investigating mind. Okay, now 5. After that, smile producing Hasitupada mind. And another one, 4 type of wholesome, yes, sense sphere wholesome. 4 type of sense sphere resultant. 4 type of sense sphere functional. And first, third, second jhana. And Lokottara also. Yeah, first missing. Please mark. First missing, huh? Mark. Color gone. You have to mark. First, second, third. Same way, first, second, third. Yeah. Okay. Now you can count. How many? 51. Okay, please write down, brother. Type. What are the 51 Piti consciousness? For Lobamula with better beggar the Somanasa. For Somanasa Loba, like this better. 4 Somanasa Loba, 1 Somanasa Santirana, like this. Yeah, 1 Hasuthupada. Now they know the Pali. They know Pali, no? wait, right. One Somanasa Santirana. Yeah, okay. Investigating. For Somanasa Kusala. Yeah. Okay. For Somanasa, Vipaka and Kiriya. And the first 11 type first jhana, better easy. 11 first jhana, 11 second jhana, 11 third jhana. Okay, now you can count how many. Rest are, there are 70. One moment there. Without Piti, arising without Piti. Okay, next one is chanda, desire. Desire arises in 69 type of consciousness. How many? 69. Okay, some consciousness arising according to our own desire, chanda. Some consciousness arising without our desire. Important thing, 18 type of rootless, 18 type of rootless consciousness arising without our own desire. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, we cannot control. It is our karma. If you can see the good object, it's our own karma. If you can see the bad object, it's our karma. If you can see, listen the good thing, okay, bad thing, those are consciousness, this is resultant mind. Rootless, resultant and functional, those are we cannot say that our own desire. We cannot control. And two type of delusion mind, Vichikicha and Uddhacha mind, also arise without our desire. The first time. But anyway, the chanda not associating. Chanda never arising with the two moha mind. Except those are 20. Except 20, rest are associating with desire. Other all 69. Yeah. Must be two rooted. Yeah. Because they have the rootful and rootless consciousness. No? But next chapter, no need to say, no? Okay. Anyway, we have to understand according to the except rootless consciousness and except delusion consciousness. Two types of delusion. Other all are arising with desire. Okay, do you have anything? Because now I am going to explain the another akusala. Akusala mind. The unwholesome factors. First of all, unwholesome factors. How many unwholesome factors? 14. But we can make the group. How many? 5 group. 4 type of unwholesome universal factors. 3 type of greed, lobha. 4 type of dosa, hatred. 2 type of tinami, the group. 1 of the doubt. Okay. Now, please read delusion. Okay. Moha, ahirika, anottapa and uddhacha are called universal unwholesome factors. They arise in all 12 types of unwholesome consciousness. Okay? And now it's okay, no? You can keep your mind. Next one, number 2. Greed arises in only the 8 types of consciousness rooted in greed. Only lobha arises with lobha mind. Lobha never arises with dosa and with moha mind. Lobha always arises with the lobha mind. Wrong view arises in the 4 types of greed rooted consciousness associated with wrong view. Wrong view always arises with wrong view. Okay, wrong view arises with wrong view. Lobha arises with lobha, wrong view arises with wrong view. Conceit, man, arises in the four type of grid-rooted consciousness disassociate from wrong view. Okay, now you can see the note, the big chart, no? This chart. Okay, moha ahilika anottapa uddacca. Okay, moha ahilika anottapa uddacca. Those are four unwholesome universal mental factors arising every my moment of akusala. Every akusala. Okay, now see every akusala arising. Lobha only arising 8 types of lobha mind. Only lobha with the lobha mind. No dosa, no moha. Ditti arises only with wrong view. The two, there are two. 2, 4. Mana arises without ditti. 2, 2. But anyway, mana and ditti also always arise with the lobha. Wrong view also arises with greedy. Conceit also arises with greedy. And dosa, there are 4 types of dosa arising with only dosa mind. Never arising with lobha or with moha. Okay, only dosa. And tina midda always arising with prompted or unprompted. Huh? Prompted or unprompted? What is the meaning prompted? Pali? What is the unprompted? Pali? Unprompted is asankarika. Prompted is sasankarika. Tina midda always arising with prompted sasankarika mind. There are 2, no, sorry, 1, 1. They are all total 5. Tina midda always arising with sasankarika akusala mind. Prompted, unwholesome consciousness. Vichikiccha, doubt, always arises with the doubtful mind. No other place. Vichikiccha never arises with lobha, with dosa. Always only moha. With vichikiccha mind. Okay. This is a akusala. The grouping of akusala. How many group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? But this group that we together at the lobha. But anyway here they separate. The notes, the lobha group we together put. But anyway, we have to understand separate also. Okay, now you understand? Unwholesome factors, how many ways? How many ways? There are mainly 5 ways, but there are again 7 ways. According to this chart, 7 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anyway, someone may be difficult to catch first time, but you have to do again and again by yourself. You have to do the revision class by yourself. Yeah, you have to review again and again. But otherwise, I have to do again tomorrow. I have to teach again. If I do the tomorrow, maybe cannot finish maybe. Yeah. Yeah, still have. Other notes. Sanghara. Sanghara really complicated. Very long. Now this is we are studying the mental factor, the lead of the mental factor. How many consciousness? But next group, consciousness, how many mental factors? This is also a little bit complicated. Complicated means we have to think too much. Why this one not arising? Why this one not arising? Why this one not arising? Lot of mathematics. Good for the meditators. Who want to practice the Nama Rupa, mentality and materiality, must study this one. Otherwise, difficult to practice meditation also. Yeah. Okay. Next group. Beautiful factors. There are 4 ways. There are 19 universal beautiful factors arise in all the 59 type of beautiful consciousness. Okay? There are 19 beautiful mental factors. The number 2, the 3 abstainers, virati, arise in 16 type of consciousness. Yeah. 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 Number A, in every supermundane type of consciousness, necessarily together in their entirety, run together. In the supermundane, wholesome, and the resultant. Continue next page. B, in the sense sphere, wholesome type of consciousness only occasionally and separately arising. In sense sphere, wholesome consciousness. Total there are 16. How many virati consciousness? There are 16. What are the 16? 8 type of lobha 8 type of the kusala and 8 type of supermundane lokuttara. About the 2 apamanya, 2 illimitables arise only occasionally and separately in 28 type of consciousness. Namely, there are fine material sphere consciousness 15, except 5th jhana consciousness. Sense sphere wholesome consciousness there are 8. Sense sphere functional consciousness there are 8. Total 28. Okay, I have to explain one by one, no? Okay, take the note, the table. Okay, according to table, please check. This one, the yellow color. Sobhana Sadharana, universal, beautiful, 19 type of mental factors. Those are 19 factors associated with how many? No, starting from here. No more akusala, no more fruitless, except unbeautiful consciousness. Do you remember? Beautiful, unbeautiful. How many unbeautiful consciousness? There are 30. There are 30. What are the 30? 18 rootless and 12 akusala. Very good. Except 30 type of unbeautiful consciousness. Other rest are beautiful. Now, rest how many? 59. Okay, those are 19 beautiful universal mental factors all the time arising with 59 type of consciousness. What are 59? You see? From here, all including all kamavachara, kusala, vipaka, kiriya, rupavachara, arupavachara, lokottara, all including. Okay? This understand? Okay. Next one. Okay, little bit different. About virati. Samma vacha, samma kammanta, samma ajiva. Samma vacha is right speech. Samma kammanta, right action. Samma ajiva, right livelihood. Okay? Those are three mental factors all the time arising with supermundane plane. Every Lokuttara mind arising. You see? 8. Arising. Every Lokuttara mind definitely arising. Yeah, go up. Okay, now you see here. There are Kamavachara Kusala. We are offering dana, we are practicing sila, we are practicing meditation, we are doing the service for the Sangha, we are doing the service for the Buddha, we sharing merits. Okay? When we are doing any type of meritorious deeds, at that moment, occasionally arising one of the virati. When you are using the right speech, example now, you're reciting Musavada Veramani, I not lie, not using gossip, not talk gossip. Anyway, if you are practicing the good verbal action, at that time Samma Vacha, right speech arising in you with Kusala mind. Example now, about Samma Kamman, the right action. Now when you are reciting, when you are taking the private precept, I am not going to kill any living being. I am not going to take ungiven thing. I am not doing any misbehavior, misconduct with other. At that time also, Samma Kamman, right action arises with wholesome mind. When you are living right way, when you are living with Dhamma way, at that time Samma Ajiva arises with wholesome mind. Okay? Occasionally. But in the Lokuttara moment, in the supermundane mind, definitely arising 3 factors together. Okay, then this is that's why the 16 type of consciousness associated with virati. 8 and Lokuttara 8. Appamanya. Appamanya is karuna and mudita, compassion and sympathy. Karuna and mudita. Karuna arising, which moment arising karuna? How about your experience in your life, in your daily life? You have any feeling about karuna? Do you have? Do you have any experience? I have a lot of experience. After I seen any sick people, poor people, oh, my heart pain, oh, there is beggar, he's asking food, asking water, he asking money. If I have anything, I can give him. Then, because this is karuna, compassion. After you see any old people, any poor people, any sick people, arising lot of karuna. Same way metta also. But karuna is who has suffering, who is getting the suffer. At that moment arising karuna in our mind. At that moment karuna arises with the kusala mind. The mudita, no more jealous. After seeing others' property, others' health condition, others' good thing, someone can study very well, but I cannot follow with him, I cannot run with him. But anyway, I'm not jealous. Oh, I have sadhu, very good, very good. Please develop your thing. Who has like this mind? This is a mudita. But nowadays, difficult to find. Difficult to find who has like this mind. But our Bodhisattva, who is the the Buddhahood, everyone must practice these two. Not only two, four. Including metta and including equanimity upekkha also. If someone want to develop your own quality, must practice our daily life. But nowadays, people don't want to see others' thing. If, for example, someone going on the train, after seeing the old people, you must give your seat for him. This is your compassion. But now the young generation don't want to do this thing. They stay their world. They are listening music or they enjoy it. They don't know who stay around here. But they don't want to see, don't care others. It's good, I think it's good for him, but this is no good quality. Because we always have to consider for others. Maybe sometimes the pregnant, the women come into the train or for the bus. We have to give the chance for him to sit. Old people, for the sick people. Okay? Huh? The super mundane, okay, example. Those are the karuna and mudita arising with panyati object. Okay? Because of panyati. The person, the object is a person. But the super mundane consists object is nibbana. In the nibbana, don't have no need to think about the nibbana is not the karuna object, not the sympathy. Okay, this is the meaning. But in the Sotapatti Magga or Arahata Magga moment, Phala moment, not arising karuna and mudita, but in other time, the Arahata's daily life, they are arising. Lord Buddha had a lot of great compassion for the beings, for the living beings. Great compassion. This way we have to understand. Okay? Why?
Please use the mic when you ask a question so that we can have it recorded, otherwise they cannot hear.
Even I also cannot hear.
And then previously the Virachi, right? Why is it not appearing under the Kama Vichara Vipaka?
Oh, very good. Because why? Viriti is now the present object. Viriti arises in the present moment, present object. Okay? Virati always arising in the present object. Example now, snake coming here. You are following, I don't want to kill any living being. Then snake coming, you don't want to kill. You are going to throw away. At that arising, Samma Kammanta with your kusala mind. Then the someone coming. Example, you want to take off your office today. But you cannot lie. But you use the indirectly, the proper way you use the sentence. You not lie. But someone going to lie, but you don't want to lie. At that time, arising all the time the three virati arising in the present object, taking the present object in the mundane moment, mundane the consciousness.
Apply at the present moment, so then there is no resultant. They avoid already.
A result in the future. Not the present moment, we cannot get result. But only the super mundane moment, immediately we can get the result.
Then one question for the conceit, right?
Yeah, mana.
Conceit, because I feel it's only under those who have conceit.
No mana.
Sometimes we'll have some.
No. This is some arahata has a previous experience because a habitual karma in the past. No, this is not including the defilement. No more defilement in the arahata. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but someone very proud because their own qualities. But after seeing the example now, the Bhante Sariputta more prouder than other Arahat. Yeah, but example now after Lord Buddha passed away, who is the Sangha leader is Bhante Mahakassapa. But Mahakassapa the more proud, but after seeing the people can say, oh, Bhante Mahakassapa is more proud, maybe he has man, but no more defilement. This is their own good qualities. This is a quality in previous the experience, previous habitual karma. But anyway, the one of the Arahat during the Buddha's time, his name the Pilindavacha. He always used a very rough word for the people, very harsh word. But people they misunderstood about him. How he Arahat? We cannot trust him anymore. Why he used a very very hard word for us? He like the businessman. He's like the boss. He always want to control us. Why he used that sentence? Then the later people complained to the Buddha. Lord Buddha mentioned, no, don't think like this. He already Arahat, but he cut off the old defilement, but he cannot cut off his previous habitual karma. This is previous habit arising. Yeah, habitual tenders arising. Okay? This way we have to understand.
Thank you, Bhante.
Then why is the mudita and karuna happening in the functional consciousness?
Yeah. Means Arahat, when they are attained the compassion jhana moment, at that arising compassion mind. When they are going to attain the sympathy jhana attainment, at that arising.
Also,
This
Buddha's compassion is in this group.
Yes. But don't misunderstand between supermundane moment and functional moment. The Maggapala always taking the object Nibbana. Because of that reason, Karuna and Mudita cannot arise in the Lokuttara mind movement. But Karuna and Mudita taking object is the concept, the Panyati concept, my Panyati object. Because of Panyati object arising Karuna and Mudita in the daily life, especially for the us arising Kusala. Okay? The same way for the Arahat, when they attain, when they are going to take attainment arising, and when we want to practice a jhana concentration, jhana the compassion, jhana attainment, at that arising wholesome mind for us.
They find material first,
Yes.
second, third, and fourth jhana.
Yes.
You only have mudita appearing if
Karuna and
your-
Mudita.
Karuna and mudita appearing if your meditation object is
Yes, only
related-
meditation object and meditation jhana attainment only.
So if your meditation object is not related to karuna or mudita,
Karuna Mudita.
if you choose a different object,
At that time, no Karuna Mudita.
okay.
That's why, according to this chart, they follow the mainly Karuna and Mudita, not the other object, not the other meditation object. They follow the Karuna and Mudita only. This chart, okay?
Thank you, Bhante.
Okay, next one, Panya. Very important. Do you have Panya? Very little. Huh? Yeah. Now that you can understand how many consciousness arise with Panya. You see, Panya. All are wisdomful mind. Wisdom 47. What are the 47? 4 types of wholesome, 4 types of resultant, 4 types of functional in the sense sphere, beautiful consciousness. But all are jhana consciousness arise with wisdom. Fine material, immaterial, supermundane. All are including Panya. Now 47. But this chart also explaining the same way. Hmm? Okay. Yeah, that's why. Please check the page number 8, last Pali poem. They have meaning. Issa, Machariya, Kukucha, Virati, Karuna, and Mudita. And wisdom. Wisdom was included, no? No. The Tina Mid. All are things the occasionally we have to apply for the chitta. Jnana also including. Wisdom also. Issa, Machariya, Kukkocha, Virati, Karuna is Karuna and Mudita. Jnana, Kadachi, Mana, and Tina Mid. All are including. Because the wisdom also arises with wisdomful mind. Some wisdom sometimes not arising with other mind. Those are factors that we have to keep your mind, because some are mental factors occasionally arising with the consciousness. Issa, Machariya, Kukucha, and Virati, Karuna, and Mudita, and the wisdom, the Mana, Tina, and Mid. Yeah, 11. Huh? Sorry, please wait. Issa, Machari, Kukucha, Virati, Karuna, Mudita, Mana, Tina, Mid. Sorry. This is a Nana. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, my mistake. This is the Nana. Nana, not the Jnana, the Pali. The Nana Kadachi means that occasionally, sometime. Yeah, Nana Kadachi. Okay, separately and occasionally. Sorry. There are 11 types of mental factors. What are the 11? Issa, Machariya, Kukucha, 3 Virati, Karuna, Mudita, Mana, Tina, Mid. There are 11 types of mental factors arise separately and occasionally. Okay, but this way we have to understand. Anyway, the tomorrow is another subject. We can understand with more details. Tomorrow we are going to explain how many mental factors arise with each mind. This is important thing. Now we know that according to the mental factors, how many consciousness are arising. How many Vitaka mind, how many Vichara mind, how many Adhimokha mind, how many Piti mind, how many Chanda mind, etc. we study now. Tomorrow we are going to explain first jhana, how many mental factors. First wholesome, how many mental factors? First akusala, how many mental factors? Eye consciousness, how many mental factors? Ear consciousness, how many mental factors, etc. This is a very important lesson. Don't miss your class. Okay? Okay. Sadhu. Yes?
Bhante, for the sense sphere wholesome, we have a sense sphere resulted, right?
Yeah.
But why for the unwholesome, we don't have a sense sphere unwholesome and sense sphere unwholesome resulted? Because for the 13, it's just 13. We don't have a sense sphere unwholesome resulted. just like the beautiful consciousness.
Mm.
But the unbeautiful consciousness,
Mm.
we only have unbeautiful consciousness, but we don't have unbeautiful resultant consciousness.
Mm.
Why?
Why means the huh?
Uh,
No, because according to the resultant mind, your question.
yes,
Okay, they have a beautiful resultant mind.
yes.
They have unbeautiful resultant mind. Okay, there are two resultant. They have the two group: rootless, beautiful resultant, and rootful, beautiful resultant. This is your question.
Yes, yes. Yes, I understand that the rootless is the karma result of the unwholesome.
Yes,
But then, how about the sense sphere resultant? Isn't it karma also?
yes. Because this is why those are kusala. They have the three resultant coming. Every kusala has a higher degree kusala, medium degree, minor degree. Every kusala we can divide three way: highest degree, medium degree, minor degree.
So can I say that the sense sphere resultant consciousness is a higher degree
Yes.
kusala karma?
The sense sphere great resultant mind. Great resultant, there are four is a higher degree, another four medium degree. Because they are the 8 type of wholesome resultant. One four, among the 4 wisdomful, another 4 disassociated wisdom. Wisdom mind great higher degree resultant. Non-wisdom one medium degree.
So can I say that the first 4 is high degree, second 4 is medium degree?
No, this is because they have the first 4 also the first 2 wisdomful, second 2 not wisdom, and another 2 wisdomful, another 2 not wisdom, because there are 8 type of kusala, vipaka, 4 somanasa, happy feeling, 4 upekka. Among the 4, among the 2 somanasa jnana sampayutta, wisdomful, 2 jnana vipayutta somanasa. This way, the first 4, second 4, like this we cannot divide. First 2 and the another 6, the 5 and 6.
Okay. So anyway, this is wholesome karma,
Mm.
but then in the rootless
Mm.
also is wholesome karma.
This,
But
this,
why we need to?
yeah, this is a root. This is a wholesome, but rootless wholesome resultant. Means the kusalas minor degree resultant.
But then why in the unwholesome we don't have
Yes, of course.
unwholesome with root? Why not? We have only rootless unwholesome.
Yes. Why?
Why?
I saw why.
Yes, that's my question.
Yeah. Because the all are unwholesome is unwholesome. When we are going to divide the degree, high degree, medium, minor, we cannot divide. But we can divide according to the object. Akusala always we are divided according to the object, not according to the mind. But wholesome we are divided according to the mind, not the object. Sometimes objects are follow, but according to the mind we are dividing. Okay? Then all are akusala, we cannot say the root full. Why? Akusala mind already they have the root, but the loba, dosa, moha, those are rules we cannot say the beautiful. So the unbeautiful rules. Unbeautiful rules always giving the rules, they give the result unbeautiful. Those are things, those are result of mind, no any roots. Cannot appear roots. That's why rootless we call. The kusala, example brother like this, the water always flow in the down part. Water cannot come up. Where we cannot come up, no? The same way our life. Very easy to appear unwholesome. We no need to desire also. We know immediately can arise. But if you want to do the kusala, you have to prepare by yourself. Huh? When we are someone doing the kusala means we are going up. We are swim in the stream up the river, going up. But we have to prepare our mind to do the kusala. That's why all the kusalas, they have the higher degree, medium, minor. Sometimes when you are doing the kusala, some of the higher, very good, very strong. Someone not strong, someone very weak. But akusala, not mentioned like this. All akusala, same. This is the reason. They got the Dhammasangani book also, all kusala, all beautiful consciousness, they divide like this. Akusala never divide. But because akusala is a akusala, but during the akusala moment arising, they have the roots. But those are root also cannot give the fruitful result. This is the meaning.
Okay.
But anyway, we must try to get the meaning kusala. These kusalas, they have the different meaning and the different resultant. But all akusalas, example now, someone, one of the how many akusala? There are 12 akusala. 12 akusala. The 11 type of akusala, they can give the result. They can give the patisandhi, birth linking in future. But lobha also can give only one. There's only one mind. Upekka sahagata santirana mind. Akusala vipaka. Arising the birth link in mind moment arising only upekka sahagata santirana mind. The object is greedy. Object is hatred. Object is delusion. But patisandhi is not different. Only the same mind. But inside the mind they have the different according to the object. But the kusala is not like this. No can understand.
No, I understand. But even greed, there's different degree of greed.
Yeah.
Different degree of
Yes.
hatred. But it's just that we don't have different tier for this. We just say akusala.
When we are doing our daily life, they have a different experience. But when you are going to take result, same. The same mind arising. But inside the mind, they have the quality. Example now, someone killed one of the men killed his own mother. Okay, at that time arise dosa mind. One of the dosa mind. Okay, someone killed the elephant. Arising dosa mind. Someone killed the mosquito. Dosa mind. But three of them going to take birth link in mind moment, their own object. But in the birth link in moment arising, the same mind, akusala vipaka santirna mind. Okay? Who killed the mother? Definitely going to the hell. Avicii. Okay? But the same, the other one, who killed the elephant? He also going to one of the hell, but he not going to the Avicii. Maybe he also going to one of the hell. Who killed the mosquito? He also going to one of the woeful place. Not going to the hell. But the patisandhi mind same. Understand? But object different. Even the nil death moment also arising same consciousness, domanasa mind, hatred mind arising. But because the object is strong. Because according to the object, they give the patisandhi. But the patisandhi mind same. This is the nature of the akusala. But the example kusala. Okay? Someone offer dana for me. Okay? Someone offer dana who following the 10 sila. Or Uposatha sila. Offer dana. Someone offer dana who follow the 5 sila. Okay? But the same kusala mind. But among the three, who offer to me, his kusala is stronger than other. Why? I am the monk. I am following I am the bhikkhu. I am the good receiver. Because of that, his kusala is stronger than other two. But same kusala mind. That's why my kusala is a higher degree. The second was medium degree, maybe. But result also different. Huh? When he going to take the Patisandhi, near that moment he realized that, he offered the dana for the Bhante. Because he became Deva. Someone offered dana for the who followed the Uposatha Sila. He became the very good human life. Someone offered dana for the who followed the 5 Sila. He became the normal human life. But totally different. And different consciousness also arising. Sometimes wisdomful, sometimes somanasa, sometimes wisdomful upekka, sometimes wisdomful asankarika, sometimes wisdomful sasankarika. They have the different resultant according to kusala. But akusala, all akusala the same resultant, but they have the different quality inside the akusala bhag. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Please try to get meaning. Huh?
Yeah, thank you.
Too late. That's okay.
Bhante, I want to ask, just now you mentioned the slope and toba, right? The slope and toba,
Tina Mita.
Tina Metta.
Ah.
You say it's with prompted. But
Sasankarika.
usually if like we sleepy, we don't prompt one. We just unprompted. Naturally want to.
Yeah, that's so
Tired.
sure. We cannot sleep with unprompted.
What do you mean? You mean the intention is not prompted one? When we want to
Actually,
tired or what?
Tina Mita, before I explain, no, there not only one object to arise Tina Mita. Arati, Thandi, Vijambita, Bhatta Sammado, Chetuso Chalinatta. Arati meaning someone not interested to practice deep kusala. Someone not interested to practice meditation. Either very easy to mind. Example now. Okay, I say, okay, please everyone meditate 10 minutes. But Bhante, we are not ready to meditate now. Very tired. But anyway, they cannot say for me. They have to follow my words. When very easy to sleep. Because you are not interested to meditate now. This is one of the reasons. Arati. Thandi is a easy mind. Lazy mind. Because of the lazy object. Vijambita means your body tired. Your body, when your body weak or body tired. That's very easy to arise Tina Mita. Bhatta Sammado. Because of the already full of your stomach. Just now finish your breakfast or lunch. So difficult to meditate, difficult to do the good thing. Easy to get tired. Chetasotali you are not interested to do. They have the five meaning. They have the 5 reasons to arise Tina Mita.
prompted.
Actually, always Tina Mita arises with sasankarika, prompted. Always arrive with prompted, not unprompted. Okay? Because unprompted means what is strong mind. Prompted means weak mind. The Tina Mita arrive with the weak point, in the weak moment. Okay? No. Have intention. Yeah. Okay?
Bhante, yeah, sorry, because that one about decision, atimokkha, when you have doubt, then you can still make decision. That was what you said. But restlessness, right?
In the momently, don't have decision.
No decision, right?
Mm.
Okay, no, right. I thought it was the reverse just now in the notes, so I got it wrong.
Huh?
I
Yeah,
thought
no, so the doubt moment, momently, no decision.
doubt moment, no decision.
No decision.
And restlessness cannot make decision. When you're restless, you cannot make decision, right? But
No,
according to the-
means who has vichikicha, doubt,
right.
okay? In the momently, his mind not is strong.
So cannot make decision.
Hmm?
Cannot make decision. When you have doubt, you can't make decision.
No, actually, this is another normal meaning, decision. Because this is, I also don't know they give the meaning of adimokha. Adhimokha is is one of the mental factors arising with the consciousness. After that, what happening? This is a different case. Okay.
Restlessness. When you're restless,
Yeah.
right? You cannot
The-
make decision actually.
Actually, this moment is very strong.
Strong.
Yeah, moment is strong. That's why they can destroy the wholesome mind. Like example, someone meditating, they're focusing the breath. They want to see the in and out breath clearly. Okay? At that moment, immediately arising the one of the restless mind. Then very easy to fall down from the meditation object. This is a momently very strong the Uddacha mind.
So, but to make decision, yes, that is strong. to make decision. Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay? I think, okay, good enough now. For 30 already. Okay? Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sharing merit. Idam me nyati nang hotu. Sukita hontu nyatayo. Idam me nyati nang hotu. Sukita hontu nyatayo. Idan me nyati nang hotu. Sukita hontu nyatayo. Idan me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idan me punyang Nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu. Abhivadana silissa niccang buddhapacayino Chattaro dhamma vaddhanti ayuvanno sukhang balang ayurarogya sampatti sagga sampatti mevaca atho nibbana sampatti minate samicchatu supatti sukhi hota nibbana.